So I'm excited to present you Reddit-Soul-Scribe, an AI tool that turns Reddit activity into structured psychological profiles. In today's digital world, our online personas are scattered across platforms, and Reddit is a gold mine of authentic, unfiltered user behavior. But here is the challenge. There are over 430 million active Reddit users and no structured way to analyze who are they are based on their public content. Recruiters, researchers, content platform, and even mental health professionals are missing out on massive untapped insight. Most tools only analyze structured profiles like LinkedIn, while Reddit remains largely unquantified. So here is the solution, Reddit-Soul-Scribe. Let me walk you through this Reddit-Soul-Scribe. So it works like that. If you put the Reddit profile, the Reddit fetches the user data, and the user data is gets its persona by analyzing through the Sonar powered API. Let me just test it for you. So here is the user, and let me generate the person. So it takes a minimum of 1 minute to generate the user data. So the user data is generated with the post, comments, overview, activity, and the AI analysis, which can be downloaded as an image like that. Okay, here is an image, exact the same one with the post parameters, user patterns, subreddit distribution, and engagement metrics. So here is a generated persona. Amardeep Singh is a random name generated by Sonar, observant critic, age late 20s to early 30s. Occupation is an entrepreneur, businessman, and status single, location Lucknow. Here is one class with the quote: motivation, personality, behavior and habits, frustration, goals and news, and threats. With the post simulations, which can also be generated here, can be regenerated also, and supporting evidence for testing. So, I want to just walk you through the repo. So, here is the repo, and persona is generated in form of text first, then in the form of HTML file, which can also be seen. It backend has the export part, and that export part generates the this part. Okay. So here is a proper output. The same kind of this was generated here. Okay. So talking about the repo, let me launch you the GitHub. Here is the repo, which is publicly available for the open source. There's a Python command also, which users can also contribute to the Python first. So here's the description, proper description of the readme file, and yeah, walking you through the business model and monetization plan. So here is my plan. Yeah. So the potential here spans multiple industries. Recruitment and HR first. Evaluate culture fit using public profiles. Behavioral research. Study subreddits by personality clusters. Marketing. Build smarter audience personas. And product matching. Recommended for the product matching. Recommend based on communication styles and values. So for the revenue model, we will be having three basic persona reports. Premium tier with deeper analysis, downloadable PDFs, and AI generated simulated posts. Enterprise access for researchers and HR teams via API. We are carving a niche at the intersection of psychographics, AI, and social media. So we believe every post says something about who we are, and Reddit-Soul-Scribe helps turn that into a structured, human-centered insight. If you are a judge, mentor, or investor, now is the time to support a tool that decores the internet's truest conversation and converts them into real-world understanding. Thank you. Hope you like the product. Seeking for the feedback soon. Thank you.